Hi, this is Pat. I would like to talk to you today about a diamond in the rough, something I came across through a webinar. It's called Prosper Trading. It's a pretty amazing company if you want to trade stocks or options or both and get some daily calls, what to buy, what to sell, when to buy, when to sell, what kind of strategy you should use. Prosper Trading is a company. It's an amazing company. They've got a number of different programs or trading rooms. You can be in there daily, and I'm currently in them. One of the trade rooms is Options Volatility, and that's by Scott Bauer, pretty amazing guy. He's very knowledgeable. Next, you get Charlie Moon on penny stocks. It's a very active room. He's in and out of numerous trades every day. Biotech stocks by Mike Patton. He doesn't do nearly as many trades because it's a biotech stock. They run hot and cold and during the busy season, but those stocks you kind of many times will maybe try for the home run. Make some really good money. And then you got short-term options. Mike Shore, he gets in and out of trades a number of times during the day. It's just short-term trading. That's basically what it is. Options trades, pretty good stuff. And then momentum stocks by Dan O'Brien. Just tell when the stocks are going to go and blow up and go up or down pretty hot and heavy. And he talks about momentum, when the good time is to buy and sell and why. And then if you decide to get involved with these people, again, their website tells you a lot about what's going on. It's pretty great stuff. Once you're a member, then you've got this thing where you got trading programs or signal rooms. And I'm in all of them, actually. The Foundation Room is a great room by Pat Hammond, and he'll give you education. Anything you want to know during the hours of the room, you can ask him questions, and he will answer them, via text normally. Sometimes they have some visual webinars a number of times during the week, and they announce that, but you can watch a live webinar just to reinforce what you do or don't know or help you understand things. It's a great room to start off, and you can go in there anytime you want. Then you've got the momentum stock room. If you get, I belong to 5 rooms. There's 6 with the Foundation room, I believe, but you can join the momentum stock room. That's going every day, 8 till 8 till 3:30, I believe. Dan O'Brien runs that, and he just looks for breakouts and tells you why they're going where and how much they're going to move or what their predicted move is. But they often call a lot of trades every day. Not every day, but a lot of times we get many trades a day, or why not to take them. It's just interesting. So that's good. That's a good room if you want to just really get some insight. And if you like the momentum stocks for longer term, maybe that's a good room. Otherwise, you can try the penny stock room. And this is a pretty active room. I mean, this guy's talking a lot. He's taking a lot of trades, often in and out for just a very short spurt. He's quiet right now. I was in the room a couple seconds ago. He was talking. When he's doing things, he has a little box in the corner, shows him, and he's just talking away, telling what he's doing. It's a great room. It just really gives you a lot of ideas, a lot of trades. That's the penny stock room. Then you can go into biotech stock. That's not as busy a room because biotechs are kind of off and on. But again, they're looking for trades all the time. Mike Patton, he's always watching his charts, looking for trades, and he gives recommendations when they give recommendations what to buy, what to sell, when to buy them. It's just very interesting. You never know things to do. With these rooms or any one of these rooms, you'll keep very busy. Next room would be the Options Volatility, and that's a fairly active room. It's one of the busiest rooms there is. It actually is the busiest room. They've normally got over 100 people in there, and they're teaching and talking quite a bit during the day. And they give you a ton of buys, ton of sells, and tell you when to get in, when to get out. Complicated option strategies that I would certainly not know how to buy or do, but they tell you when to get in, when to get out, what kind of like a butterfly, broken wing butterfly. They do a lot of vertical spreads, puts, calls, everything, you name it, they do it. And the last room would be short-term options, and they're getting in and out of trades a number of times a day, and they're trying obviously to make a profit. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but on all these, their batting average is pretty good. And again, there's often audio chat going on. If you happen to have access to a couple rooms, You can leave the audio on and switch back and forth between the chat. It's also a lot of interaction between different traders. You never run out of things to do, never run out of things to say. There's a lot going on. It's a very educational situation. So if you want to start excelling in your trading in the stock market, get into Prosper Trading. I mean, it's fairly affordable. I mean, it's under $6,000 normally, and normally it's like $5,000 a year. But they run specials where you can get like around $6,000 for a lifetime membership in one room. And every now and then, they might run a special where you can get a second room thrown in. That's not real often. But if you really want to get involved in this and you're sincere about it, just text me back, and I'll connect you with somebody who can hopefully give you a pretty good special even when the specials aren't running. So if you want to become a better trader, you want to certainly check out this Prosper Trading. It's a phenomenal trading room. I've been in other rooms before, and they're a total ripoff. These guys really, really take care of their people. They've also got a number of live events off and on. They're based in the Chicago area. I just got back from a training session in Chicago, right downtown. It's an interesting experience. So check these guys out. It will probably well be worth your time and investment. It's a long term. But, I mean, you'll never get bored trading because there's always people talking and texting. There's always something going on. You just pick the room that you think might be the best suit for you or best fit for you, and I think you'll do very well. I think you'll really enjoy it. You'll come out positive. You will start growing your portfolio. So I hope this gave you some useful information. God bless and have a good day.